In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a discount code on Nordvpn. Whether you're a new subscriber or a returning user, saving a little extra on your subscription is always a smart move. So let's dive in and make sure you get the best deal available. First things first, open your browser and go to nordvpn.com. Once the site loads, you'll see a clear button that says Get NordVPN. Click on it to move to the subscription plans page. Here, you'll find different plan durations: a 1-month plan, a 1-year plan, and a 2-year plan. Take a moment to choose the one that fits your needs and budget. After selecting your plan, click to proceed to the checkout page. Now, on the checkout page, look for a small line that says, "Got a coupon?" This is where you'll apply your discount code. Click on it and a small box will appear. Now, grab your discount or coupon code and either type it in or paste it into the box. Make sure it's entered correctly. Even a small typo can stop the discount from applying. Once you've entered the code, click Apply. If your code is valid, you'll instantly see the total cost update to reflect the discount. That's the best part, watching the price drop right before your eyes. Now that your discount is applied, it's time to complete your purchase. NordVPN offers multiple payment options. You can use a credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or even cryptocurrency. Simply choose the method that's most convenient for you. Then fill in your payment details and billing information as requested. Once everything looks correct, click to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used a discount code to save money on your NordVPN subscription. Now, you can enjoy secure and private browsing, knowing you got the best price possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides and VPN tips.